Live, the damage report continues to mount. We're here now in Mililani where another tree is being chopped up by the crew, the dedicated crew that has been waiting on standby for this hurricane to go through. And some look at the roots on that. Look at the roots.
Oh my God.
Look at the roots on that tree. That tree is not supposed to come down. So you know that if a tree that's 150, 250, 300 years old has come down, that wind was hitting. That wind was hitting. So hopefully we're out of the majority of it. But they are diligently working right now. Our crews are out here to save the day and help this power be restored by cutting all these things down out here in the weather no matter what. Oh, looks like a car got hit. I was just talking to my daughter about that. Cars driving down the road, you don't even know. And bam, you done. Bam, you done. Keep God in your mind, man. Do what you're supposed to do so the angels of protection can be upon you. World Sledge 49, right here in Mililani, Hawaii, island of Oahu. Peace.